Hey guys, this is Mike Taralla with Qlik, and welcome to SaaS in 60. Last year, we released Tabular Reporting, a new Excel and Office 365 add-in that addresses operational report and distribution requirements by creating formatted reports using existing Qlik Cloud Analytics apps and data. Now, you can make those same reports available to download on demand directly to users while they are analyzing data within a Qlik Cloud Analytics app, complete with their preferred data selections. If a tabular reporting template is enabled for on-demand access, analyze data and make preferred selections as normal, and access the report's asset menu item. You will see a list of available templates. Click Download on your preferred template, and your report will be generated on demand from the defined template, reflecting your selections. And that is your SaaS in 60. For more in 60, please visit the SaaS in 60 playlist in the Qlik YouTube channel. And don't forget to see how much more you can do with Qlik by checking out the Do More with Qlik Tips and Tricks Edition playlist.